when we switch from Blackboard or e-learning to Canvas, things get transferred very easily, nicely, except for the formula questions. Those questions will not get transferred, and honestly speaking, it's really pain. So here, for instance, an example of one formula that got transferred in this way. Basically, it's math ML. There is no easy way to convert them into the usual formulas. Now, what I've tried was a very unique way, which is using Word. So the idea is that you copy the formula from e-learning to Word and Word to Canvas with some minor changes. I'm going to show you how you can do that today in this short video. This is my class from spring semester, actually, spring 2026. And each of these topics has a quiz, and 70% of each quiz has formulas. So for me, it's very critical to be able to transfer the formulas properly. I have picked one question pool from here and another question bank, same question bank from Canvas, and then do side by side. So here is a pool I picked up. It's a random pool I pulled up, and I sorted them by formula types. All the questions are formula questions here. And then later they have a different kind of questions. So now let's just do the process. Here's the formula question. I'm going to edit, right click on it, edit. And there's the formula. Copy, Control C, and then Control V. Now, what happens is that Canvas doesn't like these dots. What it wants is an asterisk. So I'm just going to change it right here, there. Then next question, this is done. So what I've done, I also numbered the questions. So this way, A1, this is A2, so we know which ones are which one. E2, edit. Now here's a complicated formula. Control C, Control V, and I'm going to, Canvas doesn't like the square, this also, but that I can only change there. So here I'm going to simply change this one to, again, asterisk, asterisk, and asterisk. That's enough. So now I have copied these questions onto Word. Obviously, we want to save it. Now I'm going to go to Canvas. Okay, so now here's my question A1. Edit it. And this is the formula which was generated when it was transferred. I'm just going to remove it. And here, all we're going to do is simply copy this one. Control C and Control V, save it, gives a result. That means it's working fine. And I'm just going to go to the 4 decimal places, and there it is. Done. As simple as that. Now the complicated formulas, one which are E2 and E3. Let me go to E2 and E3 here. This is E2. Okay, edit. And once again, we remove this big formula from here. And now put this formula there. So Control C and Control V will be here, the formula, Control V. Now what we're going to do here is go to the beginning of it, and I'm just simply going to remove the cube root sign here. Just delete it and put SQRT. Oh, no SQRT, that was wrong. Just simply put power of 3. So this simply will be power of 1/3. So that will be and 1/3 because it's a cube root. Save, did save. Decimal place is 4. There we are. Easy. And then generate solutions. So this is the only way I know of, which is pretty secure way, pretty good way, robust way, but it's not a batch processing that you can simply transfer everything from everything to everything there. That doesn't work anyway. So anyway, that's the end of this video. We'll see you in another video. Bye.